Hey, what's up guys? Today is the first motovlog day and it's beautiful outside. First ride of the season. A little bit rusty with the bike. I've not rode in a long time. There's snow everywhere! Ah! It's not too cold at least. It's Halloween! No, it's not. I don't know why I said that. Just need to be careful of gravel and backing up cars. Kitty! Come! Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey yo! Boing! Yeah, I am kitty. Oh wow, this is all finished? Oh no, not all of it. There's still some. What's up, dude? Yeah. Boy. Hello! Our graveyard. This is where we all go when we play Noel. Noel is evil. We all know it. Hey, there's a Tim Martin. Haven, look. You know, danger zone. There's a lot of cops here, especially that road right there. There's always, well, not always, but there's very often a cop there, which is not there today. Good. That means we can go faster. Means we can go faster. Do we pop a wheelie? 3, 2, 1. No wheelie. We're not allowed to do wheelies. It's against the law. So we can't do them. Nah, don't make me. Ooh, nice car. You know, why do OD drivers always fucking hug you in the ass when they're driving? Like, you know it's an OD driver behind you because you can't you can't see like the brand of the car because they're so close behind you. You know that's an OD driver when that happens. Looking at your rear mirror like OD or BMW, one or the other. Yeah, there's lots of construction on the right side here if I remember correctly. Oh, nice car that's about to get smashed. Doggo! Doggo! Yeah, look, all construction over there. Hey, Tim Martin's Haven! Hello. Nice mustache. I need to find a solution to my wind problem corrupting the static audio thing in my GoPro. I don't know why it's doing that. No, don't go over me, Debris. I think I know a guy that lives right there. Here, the address is go knock at his door. Hey! Looks clear. Did you guys watch that movie with Vin Diesel, which is called Riddick? There's a funny quote in there. How does it look? It looks clear. And then the guy proceeds to go, ah, there's something. You said it looked clear. Yeah. How does it look now? Looks clear. How far are you gonna go with that? Maybe I should expect to I don't know, I don't trust him. How about people are weird? Wouldn't it have been easier to go in there and just turn than instead of trying to back into the boulevard? No? Maybe? Anyone else? Like in my neighborhood when I was a kid, they were selling like popsicles and ice creams and shit, but it was on a pedal bike, and it was like it had a fridge on the pedal bike type of thing. And yeah, they were selling ice cream and popsicles, which, I mean, I guess in the States it's more about like ice cream trucks, but we didn't have that where I lived. Jesus, how many bikes is that? Nice house though. I mean, that's probably like $1 million house, to be honest. Yeah, for sure. $1 million house plus here. Must be nice. Oh, that's my house. Let's go. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna end the video right here, so I can go in my parking. Kidding. $1 million house has a fucking gravel parking, huh? Oh, did your dog go? Hi, doggo. Wait, I saw that dog earlier, no? Dude, how many miles a day can you walk? Wait, we saw that dog at the start of the video. I'm pretty sure. Don't get run over, kid. It's gonna be on camera. Hey-yo! Oh, that's a girl. I thought it was a guy. Fuck. I was gonna wave at her, but then I realized if she waves and then fall, then it's probably on me, I guess. Am I gonna be being chased? No. Cool. I don't like being chased. Yo, those houses are fucking bomb, man. Wait, is this a dead end? I know. That's a dead end. Hey, look, that's the same dog we just saw 3 minutes ago. Hello, doggo. How you doing? Uh-oh, there's a little girl. We will go in between the doggo and the little girl. Hey, oh, that's a little boy. We were wrong. You want to race me? You want to race? Okay, I'll race you. I mean, if you insist. I'm not following you, I promise. No, I'm not going on the thing bike track with you. Crazy? Jesus. Dude, are these kids not cold in fucking t-shirt? I mean, I'm not cold, but, you know, I'm a fucking bear. Like, there's snow everywhere. Fucking kid that's like 7 years old is in a fucking t-shirt. Oh, that's not very nice to push him like that. I hope you're gonna give him a kiss after. Girls are so rude. Bet she likes him. That's why she broke his teeth on that fucking metal thing. Rip. Are you gonna turn or? Jesus, that looks complicated as fuck. Oh, there's a cop there. Hello, officer. How you doing? Ah, gravel. My worst enemy. Hello, officer. How you doing? Technically, I'm allowed to turn right side here, but we're gonna wait for the light. Number 165. We need to be careful, or we could be in trouble. I don't know why, but we could be. I'm whispering, but it's normal. Okay, it's gone. We can go now. Bye, 165. Have a good day. Be safe. Gravel, don't kill me. Thank you. You merciful God. It says there's a dough down. Does that mean speed boost? Does that mean we have to accelerate? Oh boy, that's a big one. Holy shijel. What the fuck is this? Hey yo! See, I said hi, I didn't say hi back. I'm so rude. Oh shit, another one? Another one. This guy had a weird face. I don't mean in an offensive way. He just, he was born like that. It's not his fault. Ah, that's a fucking big ass bump. What's that? Ah, there's another one. Oh my god, the fuck are those? Wait, another fucking bump? Is this like fucking Mario Kart or something? Jesus Christ. But dude, you guys see how fucking you slide it so much? Jesus. I wouldn't want to live on this road. Fucking 3 speed bumps and fucking 200 meters. Like, okay. Someone did some complaints. Don't cross the street, it's dangerous. Hello. He's like, who the fuck are you? I don't wave to strangers. Did you guys? Oh my god. Ah, there's a fire. Call the fireman. There's a fire. Yes, there, that house. I know what they're burning. Probably like a dead body or something. Call the cops. Okay, bye. Bye. Right in the hole. Let's go. That's what she said. What? Fuck. I didn't mean it, officer. YouTube police, please don't demonetize my video. Thank you. This fucking place, every time I called there to order pizza, they're like, oh, we're closed. I'm like, why the fuck are you picking up the phone then? Like, I don't know, we're closed. I'm like, dude, when are you open? Oh, in like 6 hours. Then don't pick up the fucking phone. Dude, you see the fucking the tree in the house there? Wow, that's insane. I wish I had that when I was a kid. Holy fuck. Nice step, Jesus. Do you live in a castle or something? My goodness. If I had an infinite budget, I'd probably do something like that as an entrance. I'd rather do it in a place where there's not a shit ton of gravel in the entrance like this, and I'm gonna fucking die entering the thing. Have a good day, boys. Take care. Hello. Oh, nice.